Alright guys, I am back again with another video, except this one is just a tiny bit different from what I have done in the past. Tomorrow's a grocery day, and I like to go really early in the morning. At 6 o'clock in the morning is when they open my grocery store that I like to go to. So I will be up around 5:30 getting ready so I can make it to the store by 6 a.m. And I need to clean this fridge out so I can know what I'm gonna buy. Like, I have my list and my menu plan already made, but I need to make sure that I don't overbuy or like forget something accidentally. So that is why I'm gonna clean my fridge. I'm gonna bring you guys along. I'm gonna try and not talk at all until the end of the video. And in the meantime, I hope you guys can find this video motivation. I'm sorry, that did not come out right. I hope you guys can find motivation in this video. And maybe you guys can also clean something along with me. I'm gonna have music over the video so you guys can just relax and watch it, or you guys can go ahead and clean and not have to worry about hearing me talk all the time. I might come back at the end and just share a couple of words with you guys. But aside from that, I hope you guys enjoy this video.
Was it the voice? Was it the fire burning in me? All of the noise turned into choirs of harmony. Left me with the pieces of forever that you broke. But since you left me alone, I've been high. Could've seen it in your eyes. Took a second, but I'm right here, waiting for you with open arms. How about you coming closer? We can do my place. Maybe we can try meeting up by 7. You'll be saying over, so it's guaranteed. I'll be forever thinking more about you and me. I don't wanna let you go, I don't wanna let you go, nah. Tell me what you want to know, run your fingers down me slow. Cause you're in my head, you are, cause you're in my head. Cause you're in my play the game, but I'm falling again. No, don't hold back, take it far. Promise you the same, let the pleasure begin. How about you coming closer, we can do my place. Maybe we can try meeting up by 7. You'll be saying over, so it's guaranteed. I'll be forever thinking more about you and me. I don't wanna let you go, I don't wanna let you go. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me slow, cause you're in my head. You are, cause you're in my head. Cause you're in my, I don't wanna let you go, I don't wanna let you go. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me slow, cause you're in my head. You are, cause you're in my head. Cause you're in my head. What you think? What you think? Cause you're in my head. What you think? What you think? I don't wanna let you go, I don't wanna let you go. Tell me what you want to know. Your fingers tell me so, cause you're in my head. You are, cause you're in my head. Cause you
froze, cold night in the winter, how it goes. Sorry that I fall away sometimes. Sorry that I fall away sometimes. Yeah, the end, got to end it all on the weekend. Sorry that I feel that way sometimes. Sorry that I feel that way sometimes. Oh, yeah. You don't really wanna know me, hanging in the corner with a nosebleed, high on whatever they sold me. That's the old me, yeah. 6 years later trying to find me, still trying to figure out the mind piece, looking for the love inside me. I don't know how I feel that way sometimes. Don't know how I feel that way sometimes. Yeah. The end, think how we can set out on the weekend. Funny how I kinda like this life. Funny how I kinda like this life. I like this life.
Guys, well, that is basically everything. I guess I can give you guys a quick little tour. I mean, the top shelf, pretty explanatory. Well, not so much. So I keep all of the eggs in here. Like in the morning, it's a lot easier to just grab eggs from here than it is to like open this and get them one by one. So I keep backup eggs in these two, and then this is where I keep all of like the eggs just for easy grabbing, you know. If I run out from here, then I'll put all of these into here, and then when I go to the store and I buy more eggs, like the old ones obviously go first, and then the new eggs I store in these containers. These are just some tomatoes from the garden. We picked these today, so we're gonna use these for a salad at some point. A couple of drinks. Down here, just, you know, some old produce that we're gonna go through during the week. And then these two, I'll go ahead and put in some new produce. In the deli drawer, I have some compound butter right here. You know, just the usual bread, tortillas, cheese, butter. I am missing a lot of things from here: sour cream, ham. So when I buy those, that stuff will go in here. These are our tortillas that we use all of the time, and these are broken, so I'm gonna save these for whenever I make chili oil. I always fry up a tortilla and I blend it in with the chilies and the oil, and it just gives it like this different taste. It's really good. And then some chicken for tomorrow, that's defrosting, and then leftover chopped cilantro and onion, and then like down here some leftover pork chops and rice. And I don't keep produce in these drawers just because it is true, if you guys have seen the TikTok, if you put your produce in the drawers, you're sending your produce to die. So I don't do that anymore. I keep all of our condiments in here. And then on the other side, some almond flour, almonds for the salads. And then on this side up here, we have our creamers and our milk for our coffees. Just a couple of leftover items that are not shelf stable. We eat a lot of nopal in this house. I also try to make sure that we eat a lot of fresh veggies, and so that's why you guys see a lot of random veggies all over the place. Excuse me. Beverages up here, some beverages down here, tapatio in a refillable container, peppermint syrup for the coffees, soul water, apple cider vinegar, Parmesan cheese, lime juice, ranch. Sorry for the mess on this side of the camera, guys. Anyways, Cherry's just waiting for carrots. Let's make it happen. Come on, Cherry. Come on, this way. Come on, over here, over here. Good boy. Such a good boy. All right, guys. So this was my cleaning the fridge video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys found inspiration. We did not go into the freezer today because there's just, I don't know, not enough space. Not space, I don't have too much in the freezer. Like, I don't think I can make a video out of it. It's like not super big, you know. But maybe next time I'll squeeze it into another fridge cleaning video or something. I hope you guys found this video amusing, I guess, inspirational. Let me know what other kinds of videos you guys would like to see. Do you guys want to see Cherry in more videos? Let me know. We can make that happen. For now, guys, I hope you guys have a good rest of your afternoon or day or morning whenever you guys are watching this. We will see you next time.
With froze, cold night and the winter hot gold. Sorry that I fall away sometimes. Sorry that I fall away sometimes.